Dito naman po tayo sa relo ni Simple Man, Mayor Baste Duterte. Ang kailangan nating tingnan dito yung shape niya, which is to know shaped, the color of the crown, the black strap, and sinabi din naman ng source no na this watch based on these characteristics is an RM11-03. It's from Richard Mille. Personally, I'm not a fan of the look of Richard Mille watches. Tingin ko over-designed. This watch, marami nang nagsusuot ng relo na ito na sobrang yayaman. Sa mga athletes, ang magandang example dyan sila LeBron James, Rafa Nadal, and Bubba Watson. And they've had collaborations with this brand. Ang relo na ito, ang secondary market price niyan up to $253,000 in peso terms, nasa 14.7 million pesos po yan, no? Plus shipping, taxes, and duties pa. Kung idol nyo si Mayor Baste Duterte, ang may sasuggest ko po would be a watch from Sarbomba, no? The Elemental series, the calendar version. Ito dahil affordable siya at 12,800 pesos equivalent sa website nila, plus shipping, taxes, and duties. I think it's a good choice.